Hey everyone, my name's Tim Mucci and I play Collision Drumsticks. I play Collision 5A standard drumsticks. These drumsticks are fantastic. They're durable, they play great, they feel great in your hand, and the extra length is something that you might not realize that you want, but that extra length helps make sure you can reach your cymbals and all your drums without any issues. Also, their customer service is second to none. Anytime I've reached out to Collision, they've been quick to respond and help and answer any questions that I had along the way. So enough of me rambling. Here is my drum cover of AEW Wrestling superstar Jon Moxley's entrance theme song, Wild Thing. And here's a little cheap plug. My YouTube channel is called Tim Mucci Drums, where I do wrestling theme song drum covers. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to check it out, subscribe, let me know what you think.